Oh, wow. Heather, look at that. Check it. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Air pump. Foot pump. Rubbing alcohol. This is 50%. This little container. Clear. And we also have a water bottle that we're going to try here as well. It's Mr. C from Learning Science is Fun, and today we're going to make a cloud in a bottle. As you can see, this bottle is clear. I have a little bit of rubbing alcohol that I've already put into it, but I'm going to add just a little bit more. I'm going to swish it around. And while I'm doing that, I want to talk to you about water vapor. So water vapor is all around us. Little water molecules that are in the air, floating around. Necessarily can't see them, but sometimes we can. And when we can, we see them in the form of a cloud. So I've added some rubbing alcohol in here. I also have my bike pump, and I have this little rubber valve. And this rubber valve seals this nicely. And the bike pump, I'm gonna put this on, close it, and I'm gonna pump it up. Let's see what happens. And there you have it. We have ourselves a cloud. Pretty cool, right? So what's happening is when we're pumping in the air, it's compressing the air inside of the container. And this blocks the air from escaping. So the compressed air is in there. When I release the valve, the air rushes out, it expands, and during that process, it cools. The air has water vapor in it. The water vapor itself condenses and forms a cloud. So when you're outside looking up at the sky, just think there's somebody in a cloud factory pumping up these little bottles and poofing little clouds up in the sky. Pretty sweet, right? We know that's not how it works, but it's fun to think about. All right, let's try one more time. Pump it up. Oh, man. There we go, that was good. And there we go. There we go, that's awesome. And we'll try this little water bottle too. There we go. That's so cool, it just never fails. And remember, have fun. Learning science is fun. Subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.